Mason Amos is reported to miss the rest of Season 88 after an MCL Grade 3 sprain. You know what time it is? Hands in. Ang sakit nito sa Lasal, men. The DLSU Green Archers are currently 2-3 sa kanilang win-loss record pagkatapos nilang matalo sa Ateneo last week. Natalo din sila ng NU Bulldogs and National University is now at the top with 5 wins and 1 loss. This was quite unfortunate para sa Lasal kasi nung second quarter, hindi sila nakascore for 7 minutes. And in the midst of everyone being there, probably the best or the second best player dun sa mga teams nila before bago sila lumipat, parang kay Coach Topex medyo unacceptable na hindi sila makakascore ng field goal ng 7 minutes. There should be at least 1 or 2, diba? Kahit na medyo bad day ka. And the worst part about it is that Mason Amos, one of their main guys that is consistently part of the starting 5, is gonna miss the rest of the season. He may be a liability on defense, pero hindi mo matatawaran yung ambag niya in being able to space the floor para sa Green Archers. He has a sweet shooting stroke from the 3 na mamimiss nila this season 88 because of his injury. With that, I expect na Lebron Dae, probably Bright Nuangco's gonna be getting extra minutes again. Pero sigurado magbabago yung laro ng DLSU kasi wala siya. Over the first 5 games nakita natin na merong all-star team ang Lasal. Pero hindi pa sila sanay na magkakasama. But with the disappearance of one star, will there be someone burning even brighter? Nothing but prayers and best wishes para kay Mason Amos. We definitely hope to see him again.